Hey Andrew, you know what you call this?
A boring elevator, because a lot of these.
Call it content. See, I am a content creator.
Two-stop Dover.
YouTube is a bit of a business.
This is a good elevator.
It's a good
There's
elevator.
another Impulse here that has a musical mode.
Ooh.
Not this building. I think it's the business building.
It's enough where if I walk by Dover Impulse, I'm gonna ride it. This was installed in the mid-90s.
This is one of those bulletproof elevators.
Oh yeah, now these... Dover made one of the best hydraulic elevators. Traction, little hit or miss. And what? This is a Beacon Hall
I think it's Duncan.
or Duncan Hall. It says it right there. All right.